Hi there, welcome my dear students. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can design Mastercard logo, like how you can recreate your Mastercard logo or how you can create a copy of your Mastercard logo. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly please do subscribe my channel. I need your support. This is my new channel and I'm making videos for you guys. And if you like my video, kindly please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and do some comment as well. And if you want me to create a specific logo according to your need, like if you want me to create a recreate a logo, just leave a comment and I will make a video on that too as well. So before starting, what I'm gonna do, I will go onto the Google and from here what you can do, you can pick up any design from here, like you can pick up this one or you can pick up this one and you can remove the background and you can use this one. So it's up to you, whatever you want to use. You can copy this from here and you can take that into your Illustrator. So I have already an image here and I have locked this layer here. Can you see this one? And my layer is locked, and if I come up here, one second, let me unlock the layer and let me select this. My opacity is 23%. If I make that 100%, here is my opacity original one, and I have make my layer lock, so I can work on that. So I will teach you like how you can, like if you don't know a font of a logo, how you can find out or figure out what is the logo they are using. I will let you know. I will give you a technique as well. So before starting, like before giving you a technique, that one, let's go on and design our logo. So what I'm gonna do, I will pick up my ellipse and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a layer here. Let me move this up. So now let me zoom in and can you see, if I hold Alt key, I have this uh, circle in the middle. So can you see I can create a circle now from the center. If I don't use this one, let me do like this. Can you see without Alt key it's like that? So I will do Control Z and I will take my mouse into the middle and I will use Alt key and I will create a circle. So can you see it's in the oval shape, in the kind of egg shape? So if I hold down Shift key, that is gonna be equal on all sides. So I'm gonna make this bigger, and the next thing that I'm gonna do, I will come into the properties, fill, and I'm gonna say this is needs to be none, and after that I need stroke. So I'm gonna say stroke is going to be black. I will come up here. Right now my circle is bigger. I will hold down Shift key and make that a little smaller. And now I will type V to go on my selection tool. So you can use V or you can type L to come on your circle ellipse tool, or if I type V, I can go on to the selection tool. So let me make this zoom, and here, can you see it's looking perfectly fine now? The next thing that I'm gonna do, I will do Control C and Control V. This is the one way I can duplicate the layer, or what I can do, I can use the Alt key to duplicate this. So there are multiple ways to of duplicating one thing. So these are the two ways, and there is one more way. I will show you in another lecture. Or let me go on and do Control C and Control V. And now I'm gonna pick up this one. I'm gonna move that to here and here. Can you see it's looking perfectly fine? A little bit down. It's looking perfectly fine now from up and down. The next thing that I need to do, I'm gonna grab all of these. I will select all, or I can do Control A, but it's gonna select all others as well. So I just need to select this one, and after that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick up my shape builder tool from here, and after that I will come up in the fill. I will click here, and from here right now I'm gonna pick up any random color for now, and I'm gonna give this color to here, and I'm gonna give color to here and here as well. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do is the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here and I will pick up my eyedrop from here. I will pick up this color, and the second thing that I'm gonna do, sorry, I'm gonna pick up this one, and again my eyedropper, this one, and again I will use the shortcut key V on my selection tool, and now I'm gonna pick up the center one. Now I will type I to pick up my eyedropper, and I will click on here in the center. Now if I zoom out, can you see we have the same clone like that? The difference between is the sizes, so you can reduce that. So right now my size is bigger because I have to show you. Okay, this is our design. Now the next thing that we need is this. We need this like text. How we can get that? So there is, I have a tool here, and I can use snipping tool from here. And what I'm gonna do by using this snipping tool, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this text. Here, what I'm gonna do, I will save this screenshot, and I'm gonna say that text font or image font, for example. I will save that. And what I'm gonna do, I will show you here. I have this Mastercard PNG here, and what I'm gonna do, I will go onto the Google, and you can type font search by image. There are multiple ways. Like if you can't buy the fonts, there is a way like you can download the crack version, or if you're using a paid Photoshop version, like uh, you have Adobe font. Like for example, if you have Adobe Typekit, for example, Adobe Typekit, you can go here and you can search the font here by uploading image. There is an option here. You can upload the image, and this is gonna give you the font type, and you can sync that with your Photoshop. So in in your Photoshop or with your Illustrator. So right now, if you are not gonna buy the fonts and you want to search that, so this is a technique especially for those who are from the Asia country, like they are not rich countries, and it's hard to buy the license, and most of them they use the crack versions. So what I will do, I will come up here, and what I can do, I can upload the image here. What I will do, I will click on here on the image, and after that what I will do, I will open up this one. I'm gonna copy this path, and I'm gonna paste that path here. So from here, I'm gonna click here. It's gonna like identify and searching. It's saying, "Are you sure this is your font that you're looking for?" I'm gonna say yes. I'm gonna no, I don't want to upload this. So I'm gonna say yes. Identify font. So this is gonna do some search, and it's gonna give us the font. So it's saying this is the font. These are the fonts they have found. Like these are the fonts they are using. What I'm gonna do, I will open up this image here, and I will make this in small size. So how you can match that, which font you have to use? Can you see this A size, this A, it's matching with this one as well. Here the difference between the A here and here, it's different. So this one is looking much like familiar with this one. So it's Alobola Pro Semi Bold. Let me go into my Illustrator, and I'm gonna pick up my type tool, and after that, what I'm gonna do, I will come up here, and what was the font name? Let's go back and check. It's this one. Let me come up here. Let me come up into the Illustrator. Let me search that, or just let me type the first name. No, there is this font is not here. What I'm gonna do, I will come up here on Google. I will copy that, and I will say the fonts, or I can say download. So from the DAW fonts, I can download this font. I will scroll down. Here I will find an option like I can download this font. Can you see this one that I'm gonna download? I will download this font, and let's see. Again, I will click on download, and this is gonna download the font for me. I hope so, I believe. No. Okay, let me click on the downloads again. Okay, it's downloading. Can you see here? It's downloading now. So what I can do, I will go back and I will bring my fonts from the downloads. Just give me a second, and let me grab the font from the downloads. Here you go. Here is the font. What I will do, I will extract that here, and I will go inside, and here you go. I have Pro. Let me open up that, and I will come back here. So here, can you see I have all of the fonts? What I will do, I will select all and I will say install, and it's installing for in my system. There are 54 fonts. There are different version of this font, like there is OTF, and there are different version of this. So it's gonna install the whole font family into my system. Okay, so all of the fonts has been installed. What I will do, the font that we have installed right now, that we have searched this one. Oops, I'm sorry, and that is Bula. I'm gonna search here. So I'm gonna pick up the whole name semi-bold that we are gonna use. I will say semi-bold, and can you see we have this here condensed semi-bold. And now what I'm gonna do, I will type here, I'm gonna say Mastercard, and after that I will do Control T. I will select this and I'm gonna increase my font size. Oops, I will hold the shift key to increase my font size. Let me adjust that to here. Okay, let me adjust the font size here. Here you go. Can you see we have this Mastercard thing here? Right now we have stretched this a lot. Let me reduce this. Okay, it's almost similar to this one that we have searched right now. It's too much bold. We can go for a light one. We don't want semi-bold oblique. We can go with the regular one. Regular one is much better than the other ones. Okay, we are almost there. And there are a lot more other fonts that you can use that match similar to this one. The only thing that doesn't match that is the T. So, but everything rest is matching. So the next thing is this small R here. We need to make this one. I'm gonna pick up my ellipse tool and I will hold the Alt key and I will use the Shift key to make that. And I will come up here. I will say white, and after that I'm gonna say I need my stroke here. I have the stroke now here. 1 second. I will click here. Right now it's a little bit bigger. I'm gonna reduce that a little. Or you can use the mouse key. By using that you can move that. So sometimes it's too much. What you can do, you can come up here and you can see 0.1, and according to that you can move. This is gonna move slightly when you are working with smaller object. That is like when you have small vectors here, then you can reduce that size. Like from here you can reduce the keyboard increment, like this will not move too much faster. So I will click this one again here, and now it's fine, better. Here you go, it's perfectly fine. The next thing that we need is the R. I'm gonna say that is going to be R, and I will select that here and I'm gonna reduce that. Let me paste that R here. Here you go. So can you see our logo has been ready, and here we have the TM as well. So what I can do, I can say T and M, and what I'm gonna do, next thing that we need is I'm gonna select my text, and after that we need the color as well. So I'm gonna say the color is going to be this one. Here you go, we have the color, and now I'm gonna reduce the size for our font. There you go, and I'm gonna say like this, a little bit small, like here. Here you go. Now I will zoom out, and after that I will come up here into the layers, and I'm gonna like hide the rest of the things. I'm gonna hide this one. Can you see it's gone now? There is no background, no other no background image. So here you go. This is what we have done so far, and that's how you can recreate a logo. And I'm gonna start a series on the logos, and we are gonna make more logos, and we are gonna recreate the logos. We are gonna make some new logos as well. So if you have liked my video, kindly please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.